Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how are we going to combine the contents of different cells in different columns into the single column like this. So the simple link that we are going to use is something like this. Now we are going to copy this into the clipboard and then go into the cell where we want to perform the combination, hit equals the first cell, paste the link, the second cell, the link, third cell, the link, fourth cell, fifth cell, sixth cell, and subsequently until the end of the formula. And then we are going to hit enter. Voila! They are going to combine into a single column like this. The formula is going to change because there is no $sign here, so we can copy it and paste it to all the other relevant cells. Now we have everything in the same column. We want to remove the formula. What we are going to do is that we are going to highlight the entire thing, hit copy, and then paste in the same location only the values. And now we can see that all the formula is being erased.